plus 3k. A1, A2. A2 is the second line point, second line on the second point, sorry, the point on the second line from where the line is passing. I minus j minus k. B1. Vector parallel to the first line, minus I plus j minus 2k. B2. Vector second line, I plus 2j minus 2k. Is it okay? Formula shortest distance is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. This is the formula. So now I am finding first A2 minus A1 and second B1 cross B2. This is the formula. Finally, we'll have to put the value in it. Okay. A2 minus A1. So simply A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. I minus I. It is 0. Minus j plus 2j. Minus j plus 2j. And minus k minus 3k. So that means it is coming minus I j plus 2j, it is j, minus k minus 3k, it is minus 4k. Okay. So A2 minus A1 is equal to I cancel, minus I plus 2j, it is j, and minus k minus 3k, it is minus 4k. This is A2 minus A1. Now we are going to find B1 cross B2. We'll use cross product I, j, k. B1. Minus 1, scalar component minus 1, 1, minus 2. Minus 1, 1, minus 2. B2. 1, 2, minus 2. Okay. So with I, leaving this column and row, minus 2, and it is plus 4. That means it is 2. Okay. Leaving this column and row, 1 multiplied by minus 2, it is minus 2. Minus minus, it is plus 4. So minus 2 plus 4. 4 minus 2, it is 2. Second, always with minus sign, j with minus. Leaving this column, 2 and plus 2. It is 4. And plus k, minus 2 and minus 1, it is minus 3. Okay. So actually it is coming 2i minus 4j minus 3k. Okay. And I am finding the magnitude also because it is also required. So magnitude is 4 plus 16 plus 9. So it is coming 16 for 20, it's 29. Magnitude is 29. Okay. All things we got it. Now we are going to put the value in it. So as D is equal to A2 minus A1, j minus 4k dot B1 cross B2, 2i minus 4j minus 3k, 2i minus 4j minus 3k upon under root 29. And this everything is coming in root. So when we multiply, j multiply with I, it is 0. J multiply with j, it is minus 4. And k multiplied with k, 4 3 are 12 plus 12 upon under root 29. So 12 minus 4, it is 8 upon under root 29. Okay. This is the shortest distance. 4, 16, 20 and 3 3 are 9, 29. Shortest distance is 8 upon under root 29. It's okay. So this was the solution of question number 17. Other questions remaining 14, 15, 16. I hope you will solve it. I have selected this question because standard forms are not given of these two standard equation of line. So first we are going to converting, and other questions, in other question you will see that the equations are given direct in this format. So not to worry about that. This is always taken as a A1, it is B1, vector A2 and vector B2. You use the formula. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood all the questions, their solution of this exercise 11.2. Thank you very much.